Hello and welcome to the practical part of brute force attack. For your information, I am using Kali 2.0 as attacker machine and Windows 8.1 as the target machine, which is connected to a Wi-Fi. And for this practical, I am using an external wireless USB adapter, which is attached to my Kali Linux. Because my internal wireless adapter is already being used by Windows 8.1. So to verify this, run ifconfig command and see wlan 0 is my external wireless adapter. So our first command is airmon-ng. Okay, so airmon-ng check kill. Use this command to kill processes that can cause problems in future. Our next command is airmon-ng start wlan 0. Use this command to put wireless interface into monitor mode. Then use aerodump-ng wlan 0 mon. Okay. Use this command to start capturing packets, and as you can see, we have an available Wi-Fi network and two devices are connected to this wireless router. It is mandatory that at least one device is connected to our target Wi-Fi in order to crack the password. So for now, use Ctrl+C to stop the process and continue with our command. Then use this command aerodump-ng with an option -c, which stands for channel number. In this case, the channel number is 1. Okay. So use 1, then --bssid, which is the MAC address of the target Wi-Fi. Okay. So copy this from here and paste it in our command. Okay. Now use -w to save the captured packets and mention the path. So I want to save the captured packets on desktop by name test. Okay. Now mention the name of wireless adapter and press enter. Okay, now it's time to send the authentication packets to steal the authentication. But before continuing to our next command, see the files created on your desktop. Okay, so these are the files. And in this file, our captured packets have been saved. Okay. Now open a terminal and then use our next command, which is airplay-ng with an option -0. Here you can mention the number of deauthentication packets you want to use. For now, I am using 200 deauthentication packets. If you want, you can use 0 for endless counting, that is, you have to stop it manually. Okay. But I am using 200 number of deauthentication packets to attack on my target machine. Now use option -a to specify the access point and mention the MAC address of modem. Now use option -c to set the destination, which is in this case is my physical machine. So I have to mention MAC address of my physical machine. Okay. And mention the name of wireless device and then press enter. Now as you can see, it starts attacking on my Windows machine. Okay. It is a type of a DOS attack, you can say. We are doing this just to capture the handshake. Okay. And when the process gets completed, you can see WPA handshake with the MAC address written here. Okay. Now it takes a little bit time to catch the handshake, so I am going to pause this video for now. As you can see, we have got the handshake. Now it's time to perform brute force, and for this we are using the crunch command. So crunch is used to make a possible number of passwords you have to mention the minimum length of password you want followed by the maximum length of the password. Okay, and at the same time we want to match this password with the original one. So we use aircrack-ng with an option -A2 followed by option -B and MAC address of modem. -W stands for word list. For now, we have left it blank because we are generating passwords and matching it at the same time. And at last, mention the path of the file where we have captured the packets. Okay, and then press enter. Now our brute force attack is generating a long number of possible combinations. Okay, it is trying from the very first alphabetic letter, that is A. But if you want, you can specify your own letters. Okay, so now it takes hours to get the real password, and I am ending this tutorial